Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update HubSpot landing pages for higher conversion UX, full guide step by step clearly. To update HubSpot landing pages for higher conversion UX, start by analyzing your current performance metrics. Log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the landing pages section. Identify pages with low conversion rates that need improvement. Review your landing page elements, including headlines, images, and call to action buttons. Ensure your headlines are clear and convey value to your visitors. Use A/B testing to experiment with different headlines to determine which performs better. Evaluate the images on your landing page. Choose high-quality, relevant images that enhance your message. Consider adding video content, as it can significantly increase engagement. Check your form fields and reduce them to only the essentials needed for conversion. Long forms can deter users from completing them, so streamline the process. Incorporate social proof, such as testimonials or case studies, to build trust. Place your call to action buttons strategically above the fold. Ensure they stand out visually and use action-oriented language. Use contrasting colors to make the buttons more eye-catching. Optimize your landing page for mobile devices, as many users will access it from their phones. Test the responsiveness of your design across various screen sizes. Enhance loading speed by compressing images and minimizing scripts. A fast loading page can significantly reduce bounce rates. Review your copy for clarity and conciseness. Eliminate jargon and focus on how your offering solves the customer's problem. Add clear navigational paths to guide users toward conversion. Minimize distractions by removing unnecessary links or content. Incorporate a strong value proposition that clearly articulates the benefits of your offer. Conduct user testing to gather feedback on the user experience. Use tools like heat maps to analyze how users interact with your page. Make adjustments based on the data you collect from these insights. Lastly, monitor the updated page's performance using HubSpot's analytics tools. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.